The VIPER task force holding its first official meeting with community members today to address efforts to reduce gun violence. The task force was created 2 weeks ago, and they have already made 138 arrests in Rochester and Buffalo. Allie Peters joins us live now in the studio with more on what was said at today's gathering. Allie?
Well, John, this meeting was something many community members had asked for because they say they want to be part of the conversation when it comes to decreasing violence. Dozens of citizens showed up to address concerns and ask questions. A big focus of today's gathering was how to improve relationships between community members and law enforcement agencies. Law enforcement officials say they need the community's help when it comes to getting information and evidence surrounding a crime. But many citizens in attendance say it's hard to come forward because word can get around and their lives could be put in danger. Other topics discussed today included getting more people from Rochester to be part of this effort to reduce violence, additional funding for positive community initiatives working to stop crime, and working closer with RPD and gun manufacturers to put a stop to the violence. For weeks leading up to the creation of this task force, Rochester was seeing an alarming surge in homicides, with already 40 murders this year. But according to RPD's open crime data portal, there hasn't been a murder since July 14th. U.S. Marshals didn't say whether that's because of the task force, but many community members are hopeful.
I was encouraged by what I heard in terms of, what they're doing to stop the violence, but it's going to take more. It's going to take people in the community coming to these meetings, making their voices heard. It's going to take more resources flowing to grassroots organizations that are actually on boots on the ground, that are making this work happen. And it's going to take building a trust with law enforcement.
Now, U.S. Attorney James Kennedy Jr. says he plans on holding another meeting with the community, but has not said when. He also said data on arrests will be sent out weekly. Live in the studio, Allie Peters, News 8.
Allie, thank you. Of the 138 arrests from the task force, 45 have been firearm related. 45 arrests have been related to narcotics, and 22 illegal firearms have been seized.